For many years, employers have diligently protected their workers from potentially harmful gases, fumes, mists, vapors, and airborne contaminants. Respiratory protection in a variety of models and types are used, and in general, safety and health are the rewards of these efforts. What may have provided adequate protection in the past may not work in today's environment. There have been many improvements in respiratory technology, as well as improved knowledge on how to protect people exposed to potentially harmful contaminants. Now, there are new standards on which to improve old methods. We've learned from many years of experience and have combined this experience, knowledge, and information with improved respiratory protection technology. It means greater safety and health for everyone. This short program is an overview of this experience, knowledge, information, and new standards. Improve your skills and take advantage of the most effective method of protecting your safety and health. Let's begin with an outline of the new standards that may affect the way you use respirators in your job. Engineering controls. As it has been in the past, engineering controls must be the first priority in any health and safety program. Engineering controls mean using ventilation, exhaust hoods, confinement of hazardous operations, and the substitution of less hazardous or toxic materials used. There are numerous examples of engineering controls that must be used if at all feasible. There are always better and safer methods of performing a potentially hazardous job if you take the time to develop proper written procedures and follow them. During the time your company may be installing engineering controls or these controls are not feasible, then respiratory protection must be used when required. Written program and procedures. We mentioned it earlier, but written policies and procedures are now requirements of these new standards. Again, we've used the experience we've learned over the years, and this experience has taught that when you have a formal written program with specific policies and procedures, your safety and health is greatly enhanced. If respirators must be used to protect an employee's health from potentially harmful contaminants, there must be a written plan with specific procedures. Okay, what items must be addressed in these written programs and procedures? Procedures to be used for selecting respirators based upon the potential hazard that may be encountered. There must be a procedure outlining medical evaluations of everyone required to wear a respirator. If you're required to wear a respirator, you may be required to have a medical examination to determine if you are medically qualified to wear such equipment. These procedures will outline the specific requirements. Written procedures are required for proper fit testing of all tight-fitting respirators. There must be written procedures explaining procedures and training required for routine respirator use and also for emergency uses of respirators. Proper procedures are required to specify respirator equipment maintenance. This includes schedules for cleaning, disinfecting, storing, inspecting, repairing, discarding, and generally complete maintenance of respiratory protection equipment. There must be proper procedures for the disposal of respirators that are to be discarded.